Yeah. First, I want to tell the assumptions first. Our basic product is Park Avenue Pure Shampoo. Our target audience is women at IMB. So our basic assumption is we are treating everyone over here as women of IMB except our professor and guest evaluator. So please don't be offended. Please don't be offended by it. And good afternoon, everyone. We are here from Park Avenue Pure Shampoo Group. My team consists of Mr. Kiran Maruti, who is the product manager of the Pure Shampoo, Mr. Abhishek Shayana, the marketing head of the South Zone, and I myself, Ishan Patnaik, marketing head India Operations. Today we'll be pitching our product, the Park Avenue Pure Shampoo, the beautiful women of IIM Bangalore. As a matter of fact, we all three are alumni of this prestigious institute, all passed out at different points of time. We know how much stressful and what the level of competition it is, and all we have to go through all the placements, professors, the deadlines, submission, all through. It creates a lot of stress, and the stress takes a lot of on us itself, on our health, hair, etc. My wife, who is also from my own batch, she used to complain a lot about hair fall problems. All this, you have to do all these things, and it takes a lot on your head. So I have one proposition for you. I believe that hair is the second most beautiful feature of a woman after eyes. But do you really think that this beauty is lost because of hair fall? Because of low nutrient quantity in your hair scalp? Does your hair experience split ends? Even if you don't experience these two basic problems of hair problem, but do you really complain that your hair lacks the shine and luster that the likes of Katrina or Aishwarya flaunt about just because you have dull and dry hair? Let me tell you, these are some basic questions that haunt most of the women, making them worried, stressed, and sometimes go crazy. So what we did is, we did a nationwide survey to find out what are the basic problems that all women face. We found that more than 80% of women complain about hair fall. This is the primary problem. Secondly, more than half of it complain of split ends, and roughly 40% of them say that they suffer from dry and dull hair. So given that these basic problems that are there in the majority of a women, so sometimes I simply wonder, wouldn't it be great that if all these problems were not there, and you could simply be at peace leaving all these problems? Wouldn't that be that you had great, silky, bouncy and shiny hair which would simply complement with your beautiful smile? Now let's see what are the solutions we have.
Ishan pointed out a few problems relating to women's hair. We have conducted a research on beer as a nourishing agent, and we found out these results. We will show you how beer is good as a hair nourisher. When you soak or rinse your hair with beer, it has natural ingredients which nourish your hair. So what are the natural ingredients? There are 4 natural ingredients. The first one is the protein. The protein content in beer actually strengthens your hair. It's a damage control mechanism. It also adds thickness to your hair. The next ingredient is the vitamin B. Vitamin B nourishes your hair strands. It also solves the problem of dandruff. The third one, the hops present in the beer act as an antibacterial agent which fights fungus and bacteria. The last one are the sugars, the maltose and sucrose, which tighten your hair cuticles and add extra shine. Beer is suitable for all types of hairs. It is more suitable to thin and fine hair because it has the extra thickening effect. In addition to the thickening effect, it adds shine, it adds bounce, and makes your hair silkier. A lot of models and actresses use pure drinking beer and rinse their hair, and needless to say how beautiful their hair looks like. But it becomes more difficult for girls to use it regularly because of two reasons. The first one, it is too expensive. The second one, the commercial beer available does not suit the hair well. So we have a complete solution for it, the Park Avenue Beer Shampoo. Now I call upon Abhishek Sayana to take it over from here.
Thank you, Kiran, for your insights on beer, which I believe that most of the people out here might not be knowing before. So, as already mentioned about our product, the Park Avenue Beer Shampoo. It is the first ever shampoo made up of beer and has the qualities and benefits which a beer has. So, it's an organic product made up of pure beer, and so that your hair gets nothing but pure hair care. Beer shampoo contains SLES, which is contrary to regular shampoos, which contains only sulfate. So, what's the advantage of this SLES? It gives your shampoo, it makes your hair less dry, less frizzy, and because of it, I'm sure you're going to flaunt your hair like never before. It doesn't make your hair frizzy and dry, as I've already told you, and that is the main advantage of this shampoo as compared to any other shampoo available in the normal drugstore. It leaves your hair shiny, smooth, and voluminous. So after every wash, you feel the confidence of your hair bouncing on your head, and it's mild and gentle to your scalp. We all know that a healthy scalp results in healthy hair. The advantage of the shampoo is also that it has a conditioning effect on your hair. So it leaves your hair so soft that you wouldn't be needing any other conditioner after your head wash. Let's just see what our consumers had to say about this product.
I've been using the beer shampoo for the past couple of weeks, and my hair feels far stronger, silkier and radiant.
Beer shampoo solved the problem of my dry and dull hair, making it more lively.
My hair feels really soft, thick and healthy.
It's an all-round solution, and I've never felt the need to use a conditioner after using it.
It has made my hair more shiny, bouncy and voluminous.
My hair fall is reduced since I started using beer shampoo.
I think it's a great product and I suggest that every girl should try it.
This is an amazing product and it really makes a difference.
It's been a great experience, and I think every woman should use it.
Indeed, our product has made differences in the lives of our consumers. So, our beer shampoo has a unique and a very attractive packaging, and it's low cost, which is just rupees 160 for this 200 ml bottle, along with all the major benefits which I have already told you, is a wonderful product. And if you are worried about the beery smell which you might have after the head wash, let me assure you, and trust me, that it vanishes off after the head wash. To sum it all up, what our product is offering you is a party time for your hair, and the good news is that it is now available at Mars and Ethicas. So ladies, what are you waiting for? Try this product, experience the shampoo for yourself, and flaunt those lustrous locks of yours like never before. Say cheers to your hair. Thank you very much.
Abhishek, I have just one issue.
Yes.
All this time you've been going around saying this is for man hair. Why the sudden change of women hair?
I think Ishan, our India operations, will better answer this question.
Basically, from product wise, beer is very good for conditioning and it has other components also which is very good for hair. But given that from the Indian context, that beer is an alcoholic has an alcoholic component in it, and basically women are not that much okay with the alcohol part. So they consider that having a beer shampoo in their home may not be a good thing. So our basic target initially was to target the men segment. So initially we launched it with this one. So after it was launched to the niche segment of some men who consume alcohols, then we did a survey in which we asked many women to use our shampoo. As in the ad you saw, they were very much satisfied with the properties that this has. So now we are pitching up for the women segment also.
Great. Now, people who use this beer, would they be considered alcoholic?
Given the standard definition of alcohol, you have to consume alcohol. By consume, I only mean something that has to go inside your body rather than simply touching your skin. So I don't think it would be considered as alcoholic.
Sure.
Yes.
Yes.
Good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.